Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach 6th standard first term contents. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. You will be get benefited and learn more. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss exercise 1.6 sums. This is practice problems only. Try to open my locked suitcase which has the biggest 5-digit odd number as the password, comprising the digits 7, 5, 4, 3 and 8. Find the password. So what is the condition here? Biggest 5-digit odd number. So from these numbers we have to take the password. So first of all, which one is the greater number here? 8. Next 7. Next 5. And next one 4. And last one 3. So this is the biggest 5-digit odd number password. Next one. As per the census of 2001, the population of 4 states are given below. Arrange the states in ascending and descending order. First, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal. We will find the ascending order. First we have to write the digit. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh and crore. So all states have the same digits. So easy to find the ascending order. So here crore, which is the smallest one? Rajasthan. So this one will come first. Next you see the crore, 2 sevens are there. So next you see the 10 lakh 2. Here also same. So next one you see the lakh here 1 and 6. So which one is the small? 1 is the small. So second one Tamil Nadu. Third one Madhya Pradesh. Fourth one West Bengal. So here you write the number ascending order and write corresponding states. First one Rajasthan, full form write it Rajasthan. Second one Tamil Nadu. Third one Madhya Pradesh and fourth one West Bengal. Descending order means big to small. Again you reverse it to this one. Third one what? Madhya Pradesh. Fourth one West Bengal. So here West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and Tamil Nadu and Rajasthan. Third one, study the following table and answer the questions. So here year and number of tigers given. So what is the first question? How many tigers were there in 2011? So here you see 2011, so 1706 tigers. Next one, how many tigers were less in 2008 than in 1990? So first we have to find out 2008, 1400 tigers were there and 1990 3500. So you subtract the number. So 3000, so here I subtract it 3500 minus 1400. So horizontal subtraction you do it 0, 0 minus 0, 0 and 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 4, 1 and 3 minus 1, 2. So 2200 tigers were less. Did the number of tigers increase or decrease between 2011 and 2014? If yes, by how much? So 2011 and 2014 you see that number of tigers will increase only. So you write it yes. How much means you subtract that. So 2226 minus 1706. So 6 minus 6 is 0 and here 2 minus 0 2 and next one 2 minus 7, so you borrow, so 12. 12 minus 7, 5. Here 1 only, 1 minus 1, 0. So 520 tigers increased from 2011 to 2014. Fourth one, Mullaikudi has 25 bags of apples. In each bag there are 9 apples. Each bag means one bag. One bag, 9 apples. She shares them equally amongst her 6 friends. How many apples do each get? Are there many apples left over? First we will find this one. So first you write the statement. Number of apple bags 25. Each bag in one, each bag apples 9. So you write it apples in each bag. So total number of apples. So total number of apples 25 bags into 9. So 5 nines are 45. 4. 2 nines are 18 plus 4, 225. So equally. So you listen this. Equally means we have to divide. Equally share. That means 225 apples among her 6 friends she has to share. So apples shared among her 6 friends. So 225 divided by 6. So how will you divide this? First you take this 2, it is smaller, so you take 2 digits. 3 6 are 18. Here also you borrow 12. 4. 12 minus 8, 4, 5. 7 6 are 42. So remaining 3. So what is the first question? How many apples do each get? Means 37 apples. Are there any apples left over? Yes, 3 apples left over. Next question. A poultry has produced 15,472 eggs and fits 30 eggs in a tray. How many trays do they need? So first number of eggs produced 15,000 and number of eggs fit in one tray 30. So one tray 30 means 15,472. How many trays we need? That is the question. So we have to divide 15,472 divided by 30. Here you see first 2 digit also smaller, so you take the 3 digits. So 5 30s are 150. Here 4. 47 carried out. So 130 is 30. So next 7. 4 minus 3, 1, 72. Again 5 30s are 150. So remaining 22. So 515 trays we needed and 1 tray to keep the 22 eggs, isn't it? So remaining 22 eggs are there, so we have to keep it in one tray. So 515 plus 1, 516 trays we need. So in this question that the quotient is 515 and remainder is 22. This is a trays. This is leftover eggs. This is leftover eggs. Next one, read the table and answer the following questions. Name of the star and diameter given. What is the first question? Write the Canopus star's diameter in words for Indian and international system. First Canopus you write the number 2, 5, 9, 4, 1, 9, 0, 0. So for Indian system, how will you make that comma? Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore. So first one, Indian system. So 2 crore. So we have to write it in words. So here you see 2 crores, 59 lakh, 41,900. So next we will see the international system. Write again that number 25941,900. So here international system, ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million, 10 million. So how will you read this? 25 million, and also write it in words, 25,941,900. Next one, write the sum of the place value of phi in Sirius star diameter in Indian system. First write the number 1, 5, 5, 6, 5, 0, 0. So Indian system means 1 tens 100, 1000 10,000, lakh 10 lakh. So we have to find the place value of phi. Here given 100. That is ones, tens, 100. And next one 1000, 10,000 and lakh. So how will you add the sum? Means 5 lakh, 50,000 and 500 is the answer. Next one 864,730,000. Write this in Indian system. So first given 864, 730 only. So put it 100,000, 10,000, 1,000. After you write it 730. Okay, we have to write it in Indian system. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh, comma, crore, 10 crore. So how will you write this? 86 crore, 46 lakh and 730. Next one, write the diameter in words of Arcturus star in international system. So first you write the number 1900. First you write the international system. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million. So 19,888,800 is the answer. Next one, write the difference of the diameters of Canopus and Arcturus star in the Indian and international. So first Indian system we write it. Write the difference. So first we will find the difference of Canopus and Arcturus. So here write the number 25941,900 and Arcturus, that is 19,888,800. So we will find the difference. Here you see 0, 0, 1, borrow, 11 minus 8, 3, here 3, here also borrow, 13, here 8, 13 minus 8, 5, 8 minus 8, 0, here borrow, 15, here 1 only, so 15 minus 9, 6. So we get it 6, 0, 5, 3, 1, 0, 0. So for this we have to write it in Indian system. Indian system means how will you write? Ones, tens, 100, comma, 1,000, 10,000, comma, lakh, 10 lakh. So 60 lakh, 53,100, 100. So in international system ones, tens, 100, comma, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, comma, million. So 6,053,100. Anbu asked Anjali to guess a 5-digit odd number. He gives the following clues or hints. The digit is in the 1000 place is less than 5. So 1000 place is less than 5 means, so we have to put it ones, tens, 100,000. 1000 places less than 5 means we can take it 4 or 3, anyone. So I put it here 4. The digit in the 100 place is greater than 6. So I take it greater than 6 means 7, 8, 9. So I take it here 8. The digit in the tens place is 8. 10 place is 8 only. So we will get more than many answer. But here asking the question 5-digit odd number. 5-digit means we have to write it 1000, 10,000 also. 10,000 we will take any number 7, and here one condition is there, odd number. So you can take it here, write it 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9, any number. So I write it here 3. So therefore we will get several numbers. So I get it here 74,883, 5-digit odd number. So once again we will check the condition. 1000 place is less than 5. Okay, I write it here 4. 100 place is greater than 6. Here I have written 8. And tens place is 8 and 1 place is odd. Ones place, and I write it 10,000 place also one number. So we will get various answers. A music concert is taking place in a stadium. A total of 7,689 chairs are to be put in rows of 90. How many rows, and will there be any chairs left over? So first you write the statement. Total number of chairs to be put 7,689. So we will arrange chairs in each row 90. So number of rows we need. So 7,689 divided by 90. So 90 means you take 3 digits, because if we take it 2 digit also it is less number only. So take it 3 digit, 8, 800, 8 9s are 72. So 8, 6 minus 2, 4, 489. 489 means we take it 5. 500, 5 9s are 45. So again subtract 9, 8 minus 5, 3. So 85 rows we have to arrange 85 rows and 39 chairs left over. Will there be any chair left over? Yes, 39 chairs left over. Ninth one, round off the 7-digit number 29,75,842 to the nearest lakh and 10 lakhs. Or they say, first we will find nearest lakh. Here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So we will see the 10,000 digit. Here 7 is greater than 5. So add +1 to the before digit. So 9 plus 1, 10, 1, so 3. So 30 lakh. Next, nearest 10 lakh means first you write the number. (10 lakh) here. 2. See the lakh digit 9. 9 also greater than 5. Add +1 to the before digit. So 30 lakh. Yes, they are the same. both are same. Find the 5 or 6 or 7 digit numbers from a newspaper or a magazine to get a rounded number to the nearest 10,000. Here 14,276 is the 5 digit number. We will find out the nearest 10,000 means here you see the 10,000. 10,001. See the 1000 digit 4. 4 is less than 5. So you write as such that number. 10,000 is the approximate. 6 digit 1,86,945 means here 10,000 is 8. See the 1000 digit 6. 6 is greater than 5. Add plus 1 to the before digit. So 1,90,000 is the approximate. 20,45,478 means here that 10,004. See the 1000 digit 5. 5 is equal to 5. Add plus 1 to the before digit. So we get it 20,50,000. Okay students, we will see next exercise next class. Thank you.